something. No one will notice the stain.
They would notice. You're out of your mind.
Wait 1 more minute and you will walk down to the aisle.
What are you doing?
That's a super product.
You ruined my dress completely.
I will light some Coke now.
Coke?
Yeah.
I'd better use this dress for mopping the floor.
Bride, please come in. It is time to start the ceremony.
Oh no! That's the worst thing that could happen. I'm not going to my wedding dress like this.
Be patient, it really works. That's my tried and true family secret. I promise to you the stain will disappear.
It's worse now.
Where's Emma? What the hell happened?
Oh no!
Emma!
It's bad luck from the groom to see the bride, especially like this. Go.
Emma?
Michael! All is fine. We are just fixing the way
Look, if Emma changed her mind, tell me the truth, okay?
you married her for life. Wait several minutes and you can meet her.
I can't wait. I'm really looking forward to this, but
1 minute and my wedding is off.
Oh, it's weird. Nothing is working.
You promised to clean it.
I know.
I owe the wedding.
No, don't panic, don't panic. I forgot something.
You have forgotten?
Yeah,
Look in this mess.
that's a secret ingredient. Look how it works. This absorbs the dirt. And the slime will make your dress perfectly clean.
What?
All will be fine, don't worry. Don't panic, please.
Jane.
Don't panic.
I'm not understand.
Calm down, I will fix it. Don't worry, please. I will make it right. You'll see.
You're knitting doll?
Look, it's clean.
Jane, you're a wizard. I can't believe you saved my dress at my wedding.
I promised. Shall we go?
Oh no, my whale. Oh no. Today isn't my day. First the stain and now my whale is torn.
Be calm, I will fix.
Hurry up, Jane, hurry up. Why you got? Oh no.
Be calm, all will be fine.
Emma!
Michael?
You're beautiful, my love. Today I'm more beautiful than ever.
Emma, Michael, you make a beautiful couple. Come on in.